Greetings. This is part 3. Reason why I call this my videos, the last 2 or 3 videos that I'm making, Justice or George Floyd Justice Trial, because it ain't about Chauvin. Chauvin represents white supremacy, Satan, and all his workings. And this past couple of months, or past year, been showing how the workings of Satan's is being perpetrated on the black man and woman all over the planet. So we're going to talk about it. The main point I'm trying to show you is what Islam is, what the meaning of true Islam is. It's not a gang, a name like gangs have, like the Bloods and the Crips. It's not an organization. It's not a religion. To simplify it so the masses can understand it, they make it seem like the scientists make it seem like a religion. Because that word religion only means to repeat. Something over and over again. And so you gotta know languages and the real meaning of words, because English is a bastard language, taken from many languages. The Caucasian has many different meanings he could use to describe one word. He could have 3 or 4 different meanings, similar in meaning but different in content, depending on how you use that word. Islam is an Arabic word. Now what you don't know is because you relate Arabs to the language of Arabic, and you relate Arabs to those people over there dominating the so-called Middle East. That part used to be Africa. I don't have time to go through the whole history lesson because y'all don't want to research your history, but you got to research the foundation of yourself. You don't want to know where you come from. You think you come from white people. You think white people birthed you? Or do you think that we were all put on the planet at the same time, but the white man is just more superior than you, and he could tell you how to live and what to do? He's smarter than you. That's what you're saying. Even when you say you're a Christian and you believe in God, you're saying that Jesus was white, and white people are more closer to God than you are, than the Creator, than you are. That you are just uncivilized, next to animal type person, and you deserve to be kidnapped and be slaves and treated in this manner. That's what you're saying when you go along with how they treat you. They tell you they're your brothers on one hand and stab you in the back on the other hand. In return, you stab each other in the back. It's the American way. But yet still you vote for the one who puts that knife in your back every 4 years. And he controls you. He tells you what to do. Stimulus money, he controls that. He prints it up. And the IRS and the Federal Reserve controls the whole operation. Even the Congress people. The IRS and the Federal Reserve controls them. But who's behind the IRS and the Federal Reserve? AKA the Illuminati. Who's behind the Illuminati? The Rockefellers and the Rothschilds. It's been publicized or published on YouTube. You pay no attention to that. You're more caught up in the foolishness than saving your own life. Because you think the white man gonna look out for you. When have he looked out for you? Social media is going to be to hear your opinions and thoughts so he know how to manipulate you. They're going to be those like myself going to be coming at you telling the truth, cutting no corners, taking off the gloves, straight with no chaser. Like Dr. Khalid Muhammad. He was coming at you straight with no chaser. And they clipped his wings so they could take out the heart of the young brothers and sisters that's coming up. Ain't no one gonna come up like he did. Then it was Malcolm before that. But before that it was Honorable Elijah Muhammad. Minister Farrakhan was like that at one time. They must have got to him and threatened him. Maybe it was that cancer. He's probably wondering how he got it. Somebody in his camp probably gave it to him. See, certain biological warfare you can't see. They could, like the coronavirus, you can't see that. They could put it in an aerosol can and walk up beside you and spray a little bit. And it get into your clothes and your lungs or whatever. And next thing you know, you sick. And more likely be somebody black or somebody close to you. Paid off. The hidden hand is the puppet master. You often don't see him. But he pulled a string of a black brother and sister. And he make them do strange things for a little taste of change. And I don't care if they work on television. You see a brother on television. You see brothers, actors and entertainers. They get paid by Satan, the devil. In the Bible, Jesus was confronted by Satan. They wanted Jesus to be a puppet, but he didn't go for it. What they tried to do to him, they tried to crucify him. See, that's got layers. That the crucifixion of Jesus got layers of different wisdom and meaning in that. The whole Bible got layers of different wisdom and meaning. But your preachers, they work for Satan too. If your preachers was down for you and all these different organizations was down for the grassroots black man and woman, all the money that goes through these different organizations, you would have been equal to the white man in controlling circulation of the dollar in your community, or even more. Plus you got your motherland. You probably would have been connected with them. Like the Honorable Elijah Muhammad was connected with Muslim people when he had his operation going in the Nation of Islam, when the Nation of Islam was an empire. But he was old, and they know that these young brothers, they just picked the weakest brothers they got. including his own son, Elijah Muhammad's own son, and got to him. The name is out there, the Nation of Islam is out there, but not the same type of people. So they're getting ready to go on another phase of suppressing or enslaving the black man's mind, body, and soul. We're going to try to stop them from doing it by waking you up. If you don't want to listen, that's on you. That's your problem. You don't want to listen to what's right. Then listen to Don Elijah Muhammad. So I'm in a secluded place. I'm not with no organization, but I'm a Muslim. I try to do the will of the Most High. That's all Islam means. To do the will of your Father. In the beginning, Allah say, be fruitful and multiply. That's what they're trying to stop. They don't want the black man to multiply. We're going to give you some more of this. And this is part 3. We're going to go to part 4. Try to make you realize who you are. Black Light out.